at, you say, it attains a maximum. So at stationary points, we say the first derivative dy dx must be equals to what? 0. So that means that the function x raised to the power minus x into minus 1 minus ln x is equals to 0. So this is product of two terms. So is either the first is equals to 0, or the second minus 1 minus ln x is equals to 0. So x to the power minus x is equals to 0, or minus 1 minus ln x equals to 0. Okay. At this point, if I write this to be 1 over x raised to the power x is equals to 0, if I cross multiply 0, 1, it doesn't make sense. So it means it will attain its maximum at the point where minus 1 minus ln x is equals to 0. So let's evaluate it at this point. We're looking for x here right now. We're looking for x. So what do? We collect like terms. So that will be minus ln x equals to minus 1 will move to this side to become 0 minus, sorry, 0 minus 1 will move to become plus 1. So that is 0 plus 1 will give you 1. I don't want this minus here, so I can multiply through by a negative sign. If I do, I will have that is a multiply through by minus, or you can say by minus 1. So if you multiply this by minus, you have ln x equals, if you multiply this by minus, you have minus 1. We are looking for the value of x. Don't forget what we said in the beginning, that ln alone, ln simply means log base e. So since I have ln x, it means log x base e, meaning that I can rewrite ln x to be log x base e, which is equals to minus 1. From here now, I'm looking for the value of x. I can remember from the definition of logarithm that if I have log x base a to be equals to n, we say that the base a raised to power the log n must give me x. For instance, if I have log 8 base 2 and we say that the answer is 3, which is correct, it means that if I say the base 2 raised to power the log 3, it must give me this value here, 8, which is true. So likewise, we apply the same principle here, that the base, which is e raised to power the log minus 1, must be equals to x. Meaning that x is equals to, from the laws of indices, if I have a raised to power minus n, then we say that this can be written in fraction form as this small minus is 1 over, then I'm left with a raised to the power of n. I bring it down, a raised to the power of n. Okay, so if I have 2 raised to power minus 3, the answer will be this minus 1 over, then 2 raised to power 3. Bring it down. So the same thing here, e raised to power minus 1, this small minus is 1 over, then I'm left with e raised to the power of 1. Bring it down, e raised to power 1, which is the same thing as e. So therefore, x is equals to 1 over e becomes the value or the maximum point attained by this particular function. F of x is equals to x raised to the power of minus x.